The Kumbh Mela is one of the world's largest religious gatherings and a significant event in Hindu culture. It is held at 4 different pilgrimage sites in India: Prayagraj, formerly Allahabad, Haridwar, Nashik, and Ujjain. The festival is celebrated on different dates at each location, based on the alignment of stars and astrological significance. The term Kumbha in Kumbh Mela has its origins in Sanskrit and refers to a container, vessel, or pot. In the Vedic scriptures, the word is frequently mentioned, primarily in relation to holding water or in ancient legends that revolve around the concept of the divine nectar of immortality. The Kumbh Mela has a rich history dating back thousands of years. According to Hindu mythology, during a celestial battle between gods and demons over a pitcher, kumbha, containing the nectar of immortality, drops of the nectar fell at the 4 locations where the Kumbh Mela is now held. The festival is believed to be a divine opportunity for spiritual purification and liberation. During the Kumbh Mela, millions of pilgrims, including sadhus, Hindu holy men, and devotees from various sects, gather to take a holy dip in sacred rivers, such as the Ganges, Yamuna, Godavari, and Shipra. The belief is that bathing in these rivers during the auspicious time of the Kumbh Mela will cleanse one's sins and lead to spiritual awakening. The earliest reference to Prayag and the sacred bathing pilgrimage can be traced back to the Rigveda Parya, an additional text associated with the Rigveda. The practice is also mentioned in the Buddhist scriptures, such as the Majjhima Nikaya, where the Buddha emphasizes that bathing in Paiga, Prayag, alone cannot cleanse one's cruel and evil deeds. Instead, it is the purity of heart and righteousness in actions that truly matter. The Mahabharata, an ancient Indian epic, describes the bathing pilgrimage at Prayag as a form of atonement and penance for past mistakes and guilt. In the Tirthayatra Parva section, it is mentioned that those who observe steadfast ethical vows and bathe at Prayag during the month of Magha will become pure and attain heavenly abode. The event is marked by grand processions, religious rituals, discourses by spiritual leaders, and cultural performances. The atmosphere is vibrant with the chanting of prayers, the fragrance of incense, and the sight of devotees dressed in traditional attire. The Kumbh Mela is also a platform for various spiritual organizations and sects to showcase their teachings and ideologies. The Kumbh Mela is not just a religious event but also a significant socio-cultural phenomenon. It attracts people from different regions, backgrounds, and walks of life, fostering a sense of unity and equality. The temporary camps and infrastructure set up to accommodate the massive influx of pilgrims create a unique city-like atmosphere. The Kumbh Mela is recognized as an intangible cultural heritage by UNESCO and has gained international recognition for its scale and cultural significance. It serves as a symbol of India's diverse spiritual traditions and showcases the country's rich cultural heritage. The Kumbh Mela leaves a lasting impact on the pilgrims, transforming their lives spiritually and emotionally. It is believed that participating in the Kumbh Mela and bathing in the sacred rivers can bring blessings, prosperity, and liberation from the cycle of birth and death. In conclusion, the story of the Kumbh Mela is one of devotion, spirituality, and communal harmony. It represents the essence of Hindu culture, drawing millions of people together to experience a profound connection with their faith and traditions.